Hello everyone! Today's video is on the best wet-dry vacuum in the market this year.
Welcome to our channel, the only place to find the best products for buyers who want to save their time and stress of figuring out what to buy. Out of many products, we have tried our best to highlight both the merits and demerits of the products, and in the last, based on our observation, we have shown the best product that will not go worthless. What we consider for selecting a particular product are brand reputation, ease of use and flexibility, durability, price, as well as customer feedback. If you watch this video until its end, then it will be you who must feel that this video has contributed much on taking decision which product to buy, and ultimately this will lead you to pick the best one. Last but not the least, that we also want your hard-earned money to be used for the purchase of the best ranked and well-performed product.
Cylindrical iFloor Cordless Wet-Dry Vacuum Cleaner and Mop. The famous brand Cylindrical makes this cordless vacuum cleaner. It is a perfect device to clean almost any sort of hard surface. It is an upright vacuum cleaner. It is made to bring flexibility and enjoyment to your life. It helps to enjoy life fully. It would not create much noise during operation. Its runtime is more than 20 minutes. It facilitates making the floor clean and dry all the time. It is an ideal device to work well with tough spots and big messes. There are two different tanks to hold dry and clean water separately. Stanley SL18116 Wet-Dry Vacuum Cleaner. Stanley makes this vacuum cleaner that works perfectly both in wet and dry conditions. It is a canister vacuum cleaner. It has come with a large capacity. That means you can clean your surface for a longer time without frequently emptying it. It is very easy to use. Users are satisfied upon purchasing it because of its portability, lightweight, maneuverability, value against money paid for, and more. You can wash both reusable filters and foam filters. It is ideal to clean the floor, carpet, and more.
Halfway of our list, I really appreciate your patience with keenness to watch this video, and also expect that you will definitely watch this video until it ends. Check out the links in the video description to get other information on each product. watching this video. If you have recently bought products and got any experience during purchasing, then you are welcome to share that experience in our comment section and hit the subscribe button as well as the bell icon to be the first to enjoy the latest videos in the future.